The solution, infrared thermal imaging solution for electrical switchboards, we call it the Thermal Inspection Monitor 048. The solution consists with thermal imaging camera and an HMI. The camera capable to scan multiple heat points for thermal signature, determine the highest temperature and the lowest temperature all at the same time. With it, not only place point-to-point detection, thermal detection is in real time. This data can be transmitted to your management system. The HMI supports serial port and LAN. In factory setup, TIM-048 can easily be integrated into factory SCADA system or cloud servers. With the predefined parameter, you can quickly receive elevated temperature warnings, and oftentimes, repair can be done before the smoke or fire occurs. The data can be stored and analyzed. It can also be used as a reference to improve and adjust setup parameters. The HMI in TIM-048 is an 8-inch panel computer that is running a powerful yet power-efficient quad-core processor that draws a small amounts of power for 24/7 operation. But it is able to support up to 4 thermal cameras at the same time. After control center is notified when anomaly occurs, as a maintenance crew, you'll be able to see the condition from the HMI to make better decisions on repairing or maintenance procedures to reduce the chance of workplace injury. Oftentimes, it is difficult to determine the situation. If they can see what's happening, they can be able to make even better decisions. TIM-048 is fitted with a high-quality thermal sensor, and in an extremely dark enclosure, such as electrical switchboards, an RGB camera with an LED can lit up and help set up the parameter. We have gave the camera with a 360-degree adjustable mount with a strong magnet design. You can easily mount the camera inside the switchboard and able to make adjustments without any hassle. Won't need to drill any mounting points. This makes the device flexible and versatile to specific applications, might it be the joint plates or the cable itself, or even environmental heat points. TIM-048 can work standalone with the thermal cameras when they are in range. It can also be connected via Wi-Fi access point. This means the HMI is not restricted to its own Wi-Fi range to the thermal cameras, enable higher flexibility in deployments. TIM-048 can help monitor your assets as part of the fire prevention measures to ensure factory safety.